Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. If you saw my previous video, then you'll know that I made that bluey green mold that you see in the back with the slightly bigger circles. And I ended up finding on Etsy those little teeny tiny ones that are pink, and the individual molds are just a little bit smaller than a dime. So this video is dedicated towards practicing mini blooms in these molds because I need to make a bunch for this project that is coming up. So you'll see I just have a small amount of resin that I mixed up. I think it was around 40 grams. And I was using I think I was using Bond Crafter. So I just decanted a tiny bit of resin into each one of those little spade-looking silicone thingies that are really small. And I put a little bit of Julie's bloom paste in the one on the left. The one on the right, I am adding in some TLP Grenache. Now into the Julie bloom paste one on the left, I also added a little bit of Bling It Interference Red to give that white just a little bit of a shimmer. So I'm gonna try and bloom in these two molds, and I'm gonna let you sit back and watch, and then I'll be back with some observations. I'm back, and what I have observed by doing several of these blooms in these molds is that blooms really like to have space. They like to have space to stretch out and spread their glory. And in these smaller molds, they don't have as much opportunity to do that, especially in the one that's dime size. So when you see these next results, you'll see some of what I'm talking about. Some get blobby, some don't bloom quite as well, and it's just about experimenting. So here we go with some of the ones that I made, including the two that you just saw me make, and it's still a work in progress. Thank you so much for being here with me as I work through these challenges. Bye for now.